Hi, it's Sarah from Kiosk again, and today I'm going to show you how to use our brand new Canvas template, which you can find here in the template section. And this enables you to basically build all the elements that you want in uh, directly in Kiosk. So one of the applications we think you could use this for is kind of, yeah, stuff to entertain your colleagues. So with that ambition, I am building a medieval meme, which I'm really into these days. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but what I'm showing you is just how easy it is, basically. Um, and then just quickly resize. Oops, can't see that. Now you can. Oh, quick resize. Ta-da! Enjoy!